In 1835, a Swiss scientist named Louis Agassiz finally cracked the mystery that had puzzled the world for centuries. After collecting and comparing hundreds of triangular teeth from across the globe, from the coasts of North America, Africa, Europe, and Asia, he concluded that these objects were not stones, not dragon tongues, and not gifts from the sky. They were teeth. Shark teeth. But not from any ordinary shark. They were 3 times larger than the biggest great white shark tooth ever found. Agassiz gave this creature an official name, Carcharodon megalodon. In Greek, the meaning is simple but haunting. Big tooth. With that naming, for the first time in human history, megalodon was officially recognized by science. (1873). The research vessel HMS Challenger set sail on the greatest scientific mission humanity had ever attempted at the time, circumnavigating all the world's oceans for 4 full years to map the ocean floor. At a depth of 14,000 feet below the surface near Tahiti, their dredging net pulled up something they never expected. 2 megalodon teeth. But these were no ordinary fossils. The mineral coating on their surface was extremely thin, far thinner than it should have been if the teeth were millions of years old. This discovery immediately raised a question nobody could answer at the time. Why did these teeth look so fresh? 84 years passed. It was not until 1959 that a scientist from Queen Mary College, London, named Dr. Vladimir Chernesky, formally analyzed both teeth recovered by HMS Challenger. He measured the thickness of the manganese dioxide layer coating the surface of the teeth, a mineral that accumulates extremely slowly on the deep ocean floor, only a few millimeters per million years. The results left the scientific community speechless. According to his calculations, the first tooth was approximately 24,000 years old. The second was even younger, around 11,000 years old. Yet megalodon was believed to have gone extinct 3.6 million years ago. If Chernesky was correct, megalodon was still alive when humans first began building civilization. But other scientists did not simply accept these findings. They raised a powerful counter-argument. Fossil teeth on the ocean floor can shift from older sediment layers into newer ones due to deep ocean currents, underwater earthquakes, or geological erosion. This means a tooth that appears young could actually be ancient, simply relocated by natural forces. This debate went on for decades. Then in January 2024, a team of researchers from the Ocean Exploration Trust did something that had never been done before. They found a megalodon tooth 3,300 meters below the surface of the Pacific Ocean. And for the very first time in history, they found it exactly in its original resting place, undisturbed, embedded directly in seafloor rock that could be accurately dated. The 2024 discovery was important not because it proved megalodon is still alive. Quite the opposite. Analysis of the rock surrounding the tooth confirmed its age falls within the Miocene and Pliocene era, consistent with the long-estimated extinction timeline. But what made this discovery extraordinary was its context. The tooth was found on an underwater mountain range that no human had ever explored before. This proved that megalodon was not merely a coastal shark as long believed, but a predator capable of crossing entire ocean basins all the way to their deepest points. And if a creature 18 meters long could dominate all the world's oceans for 20 million years, then vanish, leaving behind almost nothing but its teeth, imagine how many other creatures may have done the same and have not yet been found. Today, scientists are almost entirely in agreement. Megalodon is extinct. Our ocean ecosystem could not hide an active predator that size. It would need to regularly consume whales to survive, and there is no evidence of such attacks happening in modern seas. But the word almost still hangs in the air. Because less than 20% of Earth's oceans have been truly explored. Because every single year we still discover new species in depths that have never been touched by sunlight. And because megalodon teeth continue to be found in North Carolina, in Peru, in Japan, in South Africa, by ordinary people walking along shorelines who happen to look down at exactly the right moment. A creature that lived 20 million years on this Earth has not yet finished surprising us.